Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Our today's recipe will help you overcome your cravings for chocolatey desserts. Today, we will be making chocolate mug cake. Let us have a look at our ingredients. 6 tablespoon maida, 3 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 5 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoon oil, 4 tablespoon milk. We will use a ceramic coffee mug. In a mug, take 6 tablespoon maida and add 3 tablespoon cocoa powder to it. Now add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 5 tablespoon sugar. Mix all dry ingredients together using a fork. Now add 4 tablespoon milk and 2 tablespoon oil. Mix it well using a fork. See to it you use a fork only. You can also add chunks of chocolate in this process. Microwave the mug cake for 1 minute 30 seconds or use the cooker method to bake the cake. You can enjoy your chocolate mug cake with or without a scoop of ice cream.